Yeah, let me introduce myself. My name is Ramastan Akbar, and I am a student of English Department, Faculty of Law and Business from University Duta Bangsa. I'm here right now is to doing my final exam of academic writing. So yeah, I'm going to talk about my research. My research title is the Negative Expressive Speech Analysis of 21st Century Entertainment, Breaking Bad. And my keyword is pragmatics, speech act, negative expression, speech acts, and Breaking Bad series. So yeah, what is pragmatics? Pragmatics. Pragmatics is a study that how the context contribute to the meaning. And then speech act. Speech acts is an act that refer to the action performed by produce utterance. In other words, people can perform an action by saying something. And then my next keyword is negative expressive speech acts. What is negative expressive speech acts? Negative expressive speech acts is a form of speech that have function to state or express the negatives in the speaker's negative psychological or mental attitude. It's the same as expressive speech act, but it's negative. So yeah. And the next my keywords is Breaking Bad series. Breaking Bad series is an American crime drama written and produced by Vince Gilligan. The show broadcast on AMC for 5 seasons from January 20th 2008 to September 29th 2013. The story revolves on chemistry teacher that has regular life and happy family, but suddenly diagnosed with inoperable lung cancer, and that cancer condition changed his life immediately, or changed his look to the world, so that from the teacher, and after that he got lung cancer because he had lung cancer. He changed his seeing to the world and changed to manufacturing drug or methamphetamine. And next is the reason why I chose this title, why I chose negative specific speech acts. Why I chose this title is because I look to the internet or some other resources. It seems that the scholar or the other people that hasn't yet explored the negative expressive speech act. That's why I come to the title the negative expressive speech act analysis, because some people or some scholar hasn't yet to explore the negative expressive speech acts field study. So yeah, and then my the theory my research theory, I use Charles, Yule, and Austin. Why? Because Charles, Yule, and Austin theory is kind of like explore the speech acts, explore the illustrative acts, and explore the expressive speech acts. That's why I come to their theory to use in my research. And then my method of this research is qualitative, because my title is the speech in the negative expressive speech X analysis. I need to use qualitative method because I want to descriptive data as objective as I can get. I want to, so yeah, the qualitative methods is suitable for my title and my research. My result of this research is I can conclude that the role of negative expressive speech X is the reflective of the utilizer emotional state and personal conflict. That's why the characters in Breaking Bad use it or use the negative expressive speech X a lot because they want to express their emotional state, they want to express their personal, they want to, it's as like personal conflict within their heart, and they want to express, yeah, they want to express emotional state. So yeah, the next is the challenge that I have I, I have dealt with in this research is, I think, the lack of you know references from negative expressive speech X, because negative expressive speech X field study is little bit narrow. That's why my research is kind of like, you know stuck, or yeah, the challenge of my research is the narrowness of my references. My references is a lot of come from expressive speech X and not from negative expressive speech X, because some scholar hasn't yet explored this study yet. Yeah, that's my challenge of this research. Yeah, I think my conclusion is this project has a lot of benefit to me, especially has a lot of benefit because myself in the third semester is hasn't yet to given this kind of project to make article or journal. Yeah, I think the conclusion of this project is to up boost my potential of my writing skill. I think that's my conclusion of this project. I think, yeah, very good conclusion, very good benefit. And my references is a lot. I'm going to say one by one. First is an analysis of expressive speech acts in online discussion through WhatsApp group by Asia MA and Nur Samsilis L in 2024. And then an analysis of expressive speech act used by Steve Rogers as the main character in Civil War movie by Lalu Banusirwan and Yuyun Yulia in 2017. And the third is book by Levinson in 1983. The title of the book is Pragmatics. And then the fourth is Novi Widyawati 2019. The title is Analysis of Expressive Speech Acts used by John and Savannah as the main character in Dear John movie. And the fifth is Perdian Sapta Putra 2019, and the title is an analysis of expressive speech act of main character in the film The Greatest Showman. And the sixth is Diana Atambunan S. N. Sitinja VN 2018, and the title is Expressive Speech Acts in Ellen Show and an interview with Ed Sheeran. And the seventh is Risati R 2001. The title is an analysis expressive use in Crazy Rich Asian 2021. I'm sorry. And the title is an analysis of expressive speech acts used in Crazy Rich Asian movie. And then 8 is Robi Okto Aritonang 2023. The title is an analysis of expressive speech acts used in Avatar Way of the Water movie. And the next book by Charles 1979, and the title is Expression and Meaning Studies in the Theory of Speech Acts. And the next is Charles again and Van der Vecken 1985, Foundation of Illusionary Logic. And the next again is book by Charles 2014, and the title is What is Speech Acts Philosophy in America. And the next is Warthog R 2006, this book An Introduction to Sociolinguistics, 5th edition. And the last is Yule in 1996, the title is Pragmatics. Yeah, I think that's all for my tasks, for my final exam. If there are any mistaken for my pronunciation or my vocabulary, I'm sorry. Yeah, thank you.